Okay, we are at Chase, the Taste, right, with Chef Olive, and we see one of the regulars that was just dancing at the Wonderful Routine. We remember her from yesterday, right? One of the stars over here. So please tell me, why do you come to Chase the Taste?
Well, I'll tell you. The food is authentic.
Authentic.
Flavorful.
Flavorful.
And it is well seasoned.
Okay.
And a lot of thought and love goes into every dish.
So let me ask you this question, since we're talking about how thought goes into every dish. If you had to choose one, and give me your name again.
Vernica.
Okay. So if we have to put thought in that food and you wanted to get one dish and you're gonna live with that dish for 1 week, what would it be?
Oh my God, this is hard because, like, I would choose them all, but I'll tell you the roti
Okay.
and the curry goat
Okay.
is totally authentic.
Okay.
You don't get those dishes often.
Okay.
Especially not roti, you don't get that.
Beautiful.
And
Tell me what that is.
It's a pastry. It's like it's almost kind of like, it's sort of like a pita bread.
Okay.
But it's more smooth.
Okay. Beautiful.
It's really nice, and it's very rare. It's very common in throughout the Caribbean.
Beautiful. And I noticed that the
And
genre.
there's no shortcuts with it either.
I love it. And I noticed that the genre is Guyanese. Are you the only Guyanese truck here in Duval County?
Yes.
I believe so. And I believe the food is wonderful.
It is wonderful.
Thank you. So take them out here. Tell me one more thing before we go.
Everybody's always nice and kind. She even said if we don't have it on the menu that day, she will make it for us.
Beautiful.
And she also offers catering also.
Beautiful.
So it is just wonderful. You get everything you need.
Beautiful.
You can't lose anything. It's almost like you're at home with your grandma.
Duval County, you have heard it
Authentic
here first. Thank you so very much. Food Truck Jacksonville.
Yes.
Right. Taste the Taste. We are out.
Yes.